Tak sikit.
Yang rasa nampak bang, nak berkelahi, nak bertumbuk dengan batang sawit tapi tangan pedih.
Ambil masuk.
Gus.
Bang tu letak sikit. Udah saya ngepek.
Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
Salah ni demo.
Lupa nak tekan berjemur kawan.
But I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone.
Abang apa nama?
Amba Madil.
Madil Oh, ni orang Bukati kan?
Ni pun berarti.
Cepat deh.
Orang ni, apa nama? Orang Mahaban.
Mahaban Orang, oh Marawis sikit Iyalah Mahaban. Dah bang?
Abang ya, orang tu, minyak baik.
Mana?
Minyak baik tu. Dah, ni dah ya.
Ganteng penonton pada pemain tu.
Baiklah. Tak ada bagi.
Banyak pulang.
Aku nampak tak?
Yo, lewat anak-anak.
Belum. Orang pun baru ni.
Kejap ada beg lewat tu. Nih, belum kan eh? Lagi. Banyak mati nih. Tunggu dulu.
Belum Marian.
I'm at half speed. I got your girl and she laughing and dancing, hanging on my butt. She asking to crash with me, smash with me. She savage, she wants cash money and she knows that I live lavishly. I wanna live. I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive. I fight to live. I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want. I want the whole world in the palm of my hand. I got a plan, I'm the man. Now I'm teaching the game, a veteran, better than anybody else who tests me. I'm ready, looking at my hand and it's steady. I'm trending, ascending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hear me laugh, all the crowds repping the sound. I'm hitting the ground, running, up and coming, ain't nothing. Yeah, rookie of the year, I'ma keep it 100. Cold-blooded, no budget, from nothing. I ain't bluffing, I got a full hand and a full
Di sini kan ada bang bukti. Kata mau perempuan Bang Amek. Bang Amek kalian ni kak. Dia mahu perempuan lain ni tu. Sesekali retak rumah tangga masalah.
just to feel alive. I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I
mainan.
want in life.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Balik lagi bersama saya Agus. Kali ini kita melanjutkan scene ketiga. 4 episode. Oh, episode. Salah ngomong saya. Episode 3, 4, dan 5. Mungkin kalau memang ada waktu luang dari Bang Jack, Fatimah, dan yang lain-lain, ya kita tuntaskan episode sampai 4 ya. Perkenalkan lagi, ini Wame, sutradara sekaligus
Perkenalkan tuh cewek kami yang baru.
Wajek Varian. Nah, buat penonton yang menanti filmnya itu lama, ini dia pelakunya. Nah, pura-pura sibuk dia.
Lo kira jadi editor tuh gampang.
Bentar lagi
Kamu tuh umur nyari-nyari
bentar lagi menjadi caleg. Bentar lagi menjadi caleg.
Fatimah. Nah, ini pemain baru.
Ini yang penting.
Sebutkan namanya siapa?
Nama saya Anissa. Oh, biasa dipanggil Bobo, boleh juga Ica, boleh juga banyak pokoknya. Mana kan boleh.
Asal dari mana?
Asal dari Bupati.
Oh, kira dari bapak.
Ya juga dari bapak, dari emak ya guys.
Bapak usul dari mama.
Oke ya. Ya, nanti kita lihat proses pengambilan videonya gimana. Oke, tetap stay terus di channel kami.
Mana produser?
Papan mana papan?
Ambil di ujung kan dia. Udah ada apa lagi nak?
Dah,
Jangan nampak.
ada hambung katanya, Bo. Dari dapur mah, dari kamar mandi.
Nah, kamera, roll, action.
Make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed. Never stop, never no time.
Mak, disiram. Disiram. Manjat disiram. Alah. Nelah lagu kan nego Fatimah. Memang cukup jahat dia, Bo.
Dia tenang kali hati kalau boleh bekerja.
Ya, udah hamba di dua kenya, Bang Jack lagi disiksa. Macam mana dulu ni?
Kenapa peran aku selalu jadi wanita jahat?
Biar mana Bang Jack disiram? Biar basah. Biar basah. Jahat kali, Bo. Oke teman-teman, itu tadi ya adegan dimana Bang Jack disiram sampai basah kuyup, sampai basah kuyup sama Fatimah. Emang begitulah kalau di syuting ini, memang harus ada yang dikorbankan, perasaan, hati yang terluka.
Terutama saya yang jadi korban. Selalu jadi korban, nggak ada cerita.
Makanya Bang Jack jangan terlalu banyak menghayal. Jadi wanita tuh nggak suka dah sama lelaki yang menghayal.
Fisik semua korban. Olahraga.
Bentar lagi cuaca pun bakal mengguyur Bang Jack nih ya. Coba Bang Jack, macam video yang viral tuh Bang Jack. Ya Allah, boleh pacaran apa enggak? Mana tahu Bang Cimba Peti. Mana tahu ya guys.
Yo, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, what am I doing? Did I do it right? Yeah, all these thoughts keep me up at night. Yeah, I can't think straight, need the light.